Hi everyone, welcome to day 22 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm Chris O'Neill, and yeah, I have just like a plain, boring gray t-shirt on, so I thought I'd put my Santa hat on to spruce it up a little bit. Things are crazy here trying to get ready for Christmas. I don't know about you. It's nuts. Today is day 22, like I said, and we're going to open that in a minute. I did finish the project from yesterday. Guys, it's a hot mess, but it's not the pattern's fault, and it's not the laser cut pieces' fault. They were fine. It was my fault. I really messed it up. But I'll talk about that more after we open the gift, because some of you might not even want to hear what happened. Let's hope you don't. Okay. So today, day 22, I have no idea what this is. Let's peek and see. Oh, this one's coming off a little too. You know, I have these over by a heater. I wonder if that's what's happening, that they're drying out. That could be. All right. Acrylic. Oh, this, okay, this is really cool, I think. Okay, they're acrylic bolts, wrap and store your fabric. And there are 3 of them here. And they're like, well, they remind me of the acrylic rulers that you get sometimes in kits. Look at that. Now, I wrap my fabric on comic book boards, but I will try these. They're nice and heavy duty. They actually would make really cute quilt templates, wouldn't they? You could make a really cute applique quilt. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Fabric bolt, 3 removable labels. Okay. Oh, and here's clips, like metal clips to hold your fabric on. Okay, it is branded with their name. I don't care because they're really cool. This is a really great gift. Oh my goodness, I've never seen anything like this. What a great idea. I don't even know what to say about this. It's totally unexpected, something I didn't expect at all to get in this box. It's unique. It's branded, but in a very subtle way, like a lot of the other stuff has been. What a cool gift. Oh my goodness. All right. That's insane. I love it. I love it. All right. Before we take a look at tomorrow's gift, I do want to just talk about evaluation. So that pattern and the laser cut pieces, I'm valuing at $17. That's what it is on the website for another kit like this. I couldn't find the exact one, of course, but I did find this one. So that brings our grand total for this box, or the value that I'm giving it, to $285. It is $105 over what I paid, which is crazy and amazing. Also, I know some people don't want to get this box and say they'd rather spend $180 elsewhere. I get it. That's fine. Personally, I really love getting this box, and I love the surprise of it. If I weren't doing the videos, I probably would get the box too. But that's me, and everybody's different. And that's what's so wonderful. All right, so let's talk about the project that I made. Okay, from a distance, it looks great, right? It looks great. However, I decided to follow the directions, and it said to use the satin stitch or zigzag stitch around the letters and use black thread, or at least that's what they used in their sample. And I thought, all right, I'll do it exactly how the artist intended. And I'm just not good at that satin stitch or zigzag stitch or whatever it is. And my gut told me to either use matching thread to the letters or to hand stitch it on using a buttonhole stitch. But everything in me was screaming, do not use black, do not use black. That's stupid, don't use black. And I should have listened, because this is the hot mess I got. I started to rip some of it out, but then you saw the holes. It became even more of a mess, so I just went with it. It's in bad shape. It is not my best work, but I don't know. I thought about doing it over, because the pattern does have the templates in it for this project too that you could trace. And then I decided against it after talking to my husband. He said to just own it. So I'm owning it. Not my best work, and well, just not my best work. But the pattern was awesome. The laser cut pieces I absolutely would buy again. That was a great experience. The instructions, fantastic. And it is cute from a distance. I also decided to make it into a pillow because I really wanted a pillow for the chair that I have over by my desk, which you can see here. Yeah, that's that. All right, let's take a sneak peek at day 23's item and see what it is. Okay, the sticker's on, but I am going to move them away from the heat source. There's a hard plastic here, and then something flat, something lumpy down here. Doesn't really make a noise. It moves around a little bit. I have no idea what this is. I don't know. We'll find out tomorrow for day 23. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you soon. Bye.